Good morning and welcome to Financial Friday, your end of week financial update from your credit union. Good morning. I'm Crystal Parker, Financial Education and Community Outreach Ambassador. And this week we're discussing how you can help young people establish credit. This question is one we frequently get from concerned parents, grandparents, aunts and uncles, and loved family and maybe family members for young people, wanting to ensure that the young people in their life start off on sound financial credit footing that maybe they didn't have. And there are a few things that you can do as the grown-ups in their life to help make sure that they are prepared for understanding life as a grown-up with credit. So, what is it? What can we do? For some of us, it can feel a little bit like magic, but it's not entirely magic, but there are some things that you can do. The first thing is education. Making sure that young people understand credit is really important because so many adults don't truly understand credit and the things that are affecting their credit score. We are truly passionate about this, so much so that we helped the Virginia Credit Union League with creating a board game along with other credit unions to help young people learn. This is something we love going into the community and schools to help students play so that they can learn more through fun about credit. So if you have places you'd love to see this, let us know, and we're happy to do that. But you can also have those conversations with them and to tell them about the things that you've learned that help with your credit, and maybe the things that you've learned that can hurt your credit. It takes courage to be vulnerable with young people and to share our mistakes, but it's important they hear the good and the bad so that they can learn from those things and hopefully not repeat the same mistakes that we have. Another thing that is really important for young people before establishing credit is having a bank account. We talk about this a lot in the magic of raising financially responsible young people because this is foundational. Young people need to have the opportunity of balancing and managing their funds. You could have their checking account set up so that they cannot overdraw their account. So if they swiped that card and the money is not available, that they wouldn't overdraw their account. But learning that process of balancing and budgeting their bank account is really important because we have to know how to not spend more than we have, which is foundational for ensuring that piece of our credit score, that amounts owed, so that we're not heavily going into debt. The other thing you can do that really helps young people is teaching them to monitor their credit. Adults know that they should go to annualcreditreport.com once every 12 months for a free copy of their credit report. But many young people don't know that they can do this too. And sometimes even those under 18 can be the victim of identity theft. If we can build that habit at a young age of checking our credit report, it can be crucial to protecting ourselves and knowing what's happening and not feeling like it's something scary looming out there when we go check that credit report. It shouldn't be anything scary. It should just show what we already know is happening in our credit history. And another thing that you can do to help young people establish credit is to make them an authorized user on your credit card, showing them that you are someone who uses your card, pays it off every month, and can monitor what they're doing on your credit card and not spending what they are not allowed to can be a great way of building that habit. Only do this if this is something you are truly comfortable with. But this is an easy way as a teenager to help start building that credit for them. We will dig more into this topic when we have our seminar on April 29th at 7 p.m. in Raising Financially Responsible Young People, because there are a couple other things that we can do, but I can't share all my secrets today. But I hope you will join us later this month for the seminar. And I hope this was helpful for you. We need to educate our students. We need to have them establish a checking account so that they can get in the habit of managing their money. Students need to learn to check their credit report to make sure there's nothing unfamiliar out there and to build good habits. And you could also have students be an authorized user on your account. And you can keep learning more with us as we talk about how we can raise financially responsible young people. Have a great day, everyone.